how to apply for Kuwait Ministry of Health Good Standing Certificate step by step. If you are planning to move to another country, transfer your license or apply for a new healthcare authority, Good Standing Certificate is one of the most important documents. Before starting the online application, please keep these documents ready. Good Standing Certificate from your current or last employer, Kuwait MOH license copy, updated salary certificate, passport copy, employment certificate from employer or final clearance paper. If you keep all documents ready in clear scan format, your process will be faster. Now let us start with the registration. First, you need to sign up for account on the Kuwait MOH website, or you already have the Kuwait MOH login. You can log in into the Kuwait MOH website. During registration, follow these points. Check your user type as general, select subcategory as a nurse, and enter your personal details like your civil ID, phone number, email address. Whatever the profession, you can make the subcategory, your profession title you can mention. After registration, you will receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is active and you log in, on the top left corner of the account page, you will see the good standing option. Click onto it, open the application form. Now fill the form carefully. Enter your personal information, add the details related to your Kuwait MOH nursing license or other licenses. Upload all the required documents we discussed earlier. If everything is valid and correct, the system will prompt you to pay fees. After payment, the processing time is usually 5 to 7 working days. Once the application is approved, you can download your Kuwait MOH Good Standing Certificate directly from your account. If you are not able to create an account on the Kuwait MOH website due to technical issues, don't worry. You can visit the nearest net center in Kuwait and they can help you to complete the registration and application properly. The sad news is that Kuwait MOH site is unable to open from other country to apply for good standing. And another sad thing, Kuwait MOH will issue good standing certificate only once if you already resigned from your job. Good standing certificate validity is for 6 months. So after doing all other licensing steps in any other country, then only apply for MOH Kuwait good standing. Or if taken good standing, do the process fast. There are a lot of candidates facing issue that their good standing got expired, but Gulf countries processing not completed and asking for the latest updated good standing. But MOH is not issuing good standing. So remember the time when to apply for good standing. If you resigned the job, hope you got it. That's it. It is the complete process for apply for Kuwait MOH good standing certificate.